Seth Medina. I'm from Alamosa, Colorado. I live in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Bought a 40 by 60 building with a 20 foot by 60 lean-to and full insulation package on the inside, two 10 by 10 doors, 12 by 12 door, one man door, couple windows. Always tinkering. Great to have a place, separate from the home, and between all the vehicles that I work on, it's just kind of in my own inventory. Also, it's just a great place to, bring the kids in here and work on dirt bikes, work on snowmobiles, work on go-karts. Just an all-around garage shop. And yeah, that's what I wanted. Working in the trades itself, you hang around like-minded individuals. Everybody has a skill set. And so it was pretty easy. I got a buddy out in Laramie, came over. He had the equipment as far as forklifts, man lifts. And so when we actually fit the physical structure itself up, it's just following the plans, following the IFCs, looking at the details, interpreting the details, working with Bryce, when we actually had questions that came up as far as, hey, what does this detail actually look at? You guys have a fantastic aspect within your guys' website to where you can actually go in and look at the details. Everything's completely color coded as far as this is where every panel, this is where every, structure beam, this is how it's actually supposed to wrap, it completely user friendly for the home gamer. It's a giant erector set for an adult. And if you have any sort of constructability background, if you're actually just like to tinker, it's not a difficult build. It's really truly just no different than building a Lego set. It's just bigger, and so you just got to have a couple of different pieces of equipment, and you just make it happen. I wanted to put a car lift in here. My car lift is taller than the garage door itself, so it just made sense, to actually run the tracks, parallel to the roof line, to the roof pitch. And so that was an aftermarket kind of a situation. I called in a local contractor and they came out, Capital Garage here in Cheyenne. Those guys were fantastic to work with. They came out, said it wasn't going to be a problem. We adjusted everything, got some new tracks, new springs, set everything up. And then now I have my lift and it works absolutely for me. One of the things that I didn't really like is that I didn't have a transition that went from the exterior wall to the lean-to, and you can actually see the raw insulation that kind of sticks out. We actually had some trim made up to where we can actually cover that in, and it'll actually fit. It fits nice. It makes it look more complete. It's a whole lot easier when your wife is on board. And she's willing to spend weekends out here. It's not when it's just a couple guys building it. It's not a full out contractor coming in, building it in a week. This was multiple months of weekends, that came out, and her support and her help. And so absolutely wouldn't have been possible without her. So yeah, absolutely. Wife is a big part of it. It couldn't have happened without her as well. So my buddy Zach, he actually came out, and so he's a licensed electrician here in Cheyenne. Everything from the primary panel to the sub panel, everything in here. Zach was a massive help. Yeah, so it was a giant collaboration of a handful of different guys, that we came out and we just banged it out. And it really made the build, what it is, today. Eric was a fantastic gentleman. When there were issues that were coming up with procurement and, being the builder themselves, plus the purchaser, plus the owner of the project, there's always kind of comes to a little bit of a point of frustration. Garage doors were very sparse, when this was actually coming up. Eric called me up, Eric Beavers. He called me up, and it was a function of like, hey, look, man, I know what you got. I know what you need. I'm just going to send you some better quality doors. They're on their way. I want you to be happy. Instead of maintaining the actual, screw spacing coming in through the roof panels, I actually shortened the distance in between the screws so that way I had a tighter reinforced roof itself. Ran short on screws. Great Western came through and was like, hey man, I understand what you're doing. Here's some more, send them out to you for free. Plus all the technical expertise that you guys had. Plus, just truly every aspect, to make this as easy as possible for, the home gamer to actually build. Big shout out to Great Western. The only thing that I wish I had was a hat from you guys.